Yeah. So how do we define a table in HTML? Good. Shubham. Yeah. A table row is defined as. Good. Shubham on the top. Table data is defined as. Good. Oh, Deep Kumar. Good. Which of the following tag lies inside a table row? Which of the following tag lies inside a table row? Understand it carefully. It's not TF, it's TD. Okay? The one who gave wrong, please check it. Okay? TR in a table stands for. Good. It's table row. Shubham on the top again. I think someone will come up. TD in a table is defined as. Good. It's table data. What does deprecated mean? This you need to think, I guess. I just told in one line. One more to give. Yes, it is that one. It is the older version which we cannot use it now. Okay? Like it will be deprecated. How you can know whether a tag is deprecated is it will be cut by a line. Okay? See if I show you here. Let me show you an example. How you can know that something is deprecated. See, it will be shown like this. Can you see this? MA method is there, right? It will be cut like this and it will be shown like deprecated. Understood?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, let me go to the next one. Which attribute inside a table gives padding? This you guys may be confusing because I told you two things, but only one is correct. Try to understand. At the end, which one worked for us, you give that. It is cell padding, not cell spacing. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
if you use directly padding, not cell padding, then what will done?
It won't work. It won't add padding to that because that attribute is not there for the table.
It's only for CSS.
Huh.
Okay.
For HTML, that tag you should give cell padding itself.
Okay, sir.
Which of the following defines a button in a form? Good. Shubham gave 9 exactly correct answers. Good. Which of the following input gives a checkbox? This could be great answer if taking time.
None of these.
We should write. What should we write? Type equal to
Button.
no.
Checkbox. Sorry, checkbox.
If the wrong one is Shubham, then he will go down. Okay, fine. Okay, so now let us have a revamp of all the sessions like which we learned from starting. Okay, so on the first day, let me open this. We were learning about internet. Okay, we were learning about internet, like how does the DNS work. Okay, how internet works. Internet is nothing but the connection of different computers, and each computer has its own address which is called IP address. Okay, I guess you could remember this. Like, if I want to open www.google.com, what this it will be send a request to ISP. ISP stands for
Internet service
Internet
provider.
service provider.
example is like
Internet service provider.
example is Geo, Airtel, all this. Okay, this internet service provider will convert that request to DNS. What DNS will do? It will assign a IP address to that domain name. Okay, we call it as
Okay, sir.
domain naming system.
Naming such.
It's almost like a phone book. Okay, let's say Chiranjeevi has his number, Ram Charan has his number, like that. Every domain has its own number. Okay, so now this gives that number and returns it to the client again. Now client can directly go to that number and access that web page. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
And in whenever, yeah, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, whenever the server returns you the files, it will return you in three type of files: HTML, which will be giving the structure of the page; CSS, which will give the design part; and JavaScript, which will give the functionality. Like whenever I click on button, what should happen? That one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, this is the thing. www.google.com will be sending a request to ISP. ISP will send to DNS, and DNS will match this domain name with the with an address, and it will return that address to the ISP, and ISP will be give it back to the give it back to the client. And now client can request the server by directly sending the address instead of sending the domain name. Okay. See, this was the website of Google with HTML. Okay, see, it looks like no proper coloring and no proper design, right? This is with CSS. This is our server which is open 24 by 7 and it will be ready to serve us at any time. Okay, and this is the one which is with functionality. How do we get this functionality? With which file?
JavaScript.
Very good. And this is how it works. Like our server will return in three files. This is our web server. Okay, this is about our first session. I think we learned some more things. Okay, if you could remember those, it would be good. Like, uh, have you heard about JSON, which is very important? I told you that day. Like, did you understand that JSON part? I'll tell you again.
Yes.
Anyhow.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in the second session, we were learning about HTML, in which stands for hypertext, where we will be getting like the hyperlinks. Yes. So we will go through one by one. This is our default boilerplate. Okay, I guess you could remember. I'll just go through these images. Okay,
Okay, sir.
This lang tells that our website will be explaining to the dumb people in English language. Okay, and meta, this is our encoding. Okay, we can add any, like we can add any emojis if you give this. Okay, now this title, where will this title be replicated, like where it will show us?
On the top.
On the top of our website. Okay, and this is how we give structure to our website as well, like how we gave address and greeting, and then the body, and then the in the same way header, after that body, head, after that body, after that the last one. Okay, this is our we write our attributes. Okay, like inside the tag we give the attributes. This is for the horizontal rule which gives you a line, and this is the attribute which has size 3. Okay, br is for what?
Break the line change.
Line, like it will give a line. And this is a self closing tag. Okay, and this is our h1 tag which is hello world, and we give content inside. These are our tags. This is the starting tag, this is the ending tag. Okay, and this is how we have done our first website. Okay, these are all the tags which we will be using whenever we go in depth. Okay, this is how our hypertext markup languages, we will mark our text inside tags. Okay, if we put like this, we can understand that this is a quote. In the same way, if we put it inside h1, our Chrome will understand that it is a heading tag. If we put it inside p tag, what our Chrome will understand?
Paragraph.
Paragraph. That is how it is. Okay, hypertext markup language, this is about day 2. Okay, let us come to, okay, in this we were developing this website. Okay, here the concepts which we use is, in order to bring this text towards side, what we have used?
HTML.
Huh? What?
HTML.
HTML is fine, like which tag we have used?
Image.
Table. See,
Sorry.
we have used table. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
inside table we will be having table rows. Okay, inside table row we will be having table data. Okay, if we give 2 rows we will get 2 rows, if we will give 3 rows we will get 3 rows. Inside table row I have given first element of table data Angela, so it has replicated first one. Table data 12. What if I want to get heading? Can anyone tell?
TH.
Yes, we can use th.
table heading, then inside th.
Inside table heading, what we should give?
TH. In T head.
In t head we have to give th.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
show you. I'll show you the code. Okay, don't worry.
Yes, sir.
This is how our table looks when we design it with CSS. I'll tell you that. Okay. Today we will learn 3 types of CSS, like inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. Now this is about forms. Okay, if you see this, you will understand. If I give input text, it will take a normal text input. If I give it as submit, it will take a button. If I give it as file, it will take a file. If I give it as date, it will take date. Radio means radio button, and range means uh, a range setter. Okay, so I
Okay.
think everything is clear up to now. If you get any doubts, you can ask me at any time. Okay,
Okay,
I'll
sir.
be happy if you ask doubts, like after the session or before the session or at any time. Okay, so if you
Okay, sir.
even have a small doubt, you ask. Now let us go to
Okay, sir.
website. Just a minute, I will open our website. So what is our Visual Studio called as? Like in programming terms, what we call?
IDE, sir.
Yes, very good. It's IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Can you tell me another example for IDE which you have heard, if you know it?
Eclipse IDE.
Huh?
IntelliJ.
Eclipse IDE.
Yes, Eclipse IDE. Very good. Still,
PyCharm.
PyCharm. Yes, IntelliJ. These are all IDEs. Okay, but I always prefer you to use this one because uh, this one is very light. It takes less RAM on your computer. See, there is Android Studio which we use to develop Android apps. Okay, it takes 8 GB of RAM. Whenever you open it, your laptop will get hang. So I always prefer to use this one, and it has more AI tools as well, like automatic detection and all that. So where we were doing our website, our projects in this only, right? I
Yes,
guess
sir.
this. Yeah. So let me open this from there. So we were developing our first website. Like, could you remember that we were developing this?
Yes, sir.
See, when I am actually recording, my laptop is becoming somewhat slow. So you guys have patience. Okay. This is day 4, right? Or yeah, 1 minute. Uh, we were doing our website like this one. Do you remember anchor tag and all that, right? Image tag. We didn't discuss those. Okay. You remember those, right?
Yes, sir.
And this one, like our, what do we call this? This this one, like entire.
Heading tag.
This one. Sorry, these two.
List, sir. Unordered list.
Unordered list.
Unordered list.
And
Yes.
if we get 1, 2, 3.
Ordered list.
Order list.
Okay. Now we have designed this. Okay. Now if I want to go to contact.js, what I have done, I have kept it inside our anchor tag. Where is our index.html? Anchor tag HTA, like href, I have given the path. Okay, you understood this, right?
Yes, sir.
So now
Yes, sir.
what in today's session we are going to do this website, whatever we have designed, like this. I'll just show you. Okay. I would make it like this for today. Not like, wait a minute. It is the same, right? Oh, sorry. We'll try to make a website like this. If you can see, we'll try to make a website of our portfolio. Like you will be getting, I am Shubham, let's say, a web developer. Okay. And you will design like this page. Okay. Fine. This is our entire website. Understood this? Like, see how design, like how the CSS part is, and how minimalistic it is. Like whenever someone sees such kind of website, they will understand that you have more knowledge. Are you understanding? Like if you see this,
Yes, sir.
what is the difference between like what we have developed and now how it is? Here, instead of putting this image, we can put our images. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll just tell you how to do that. Before doing that, let us understand about GitHub. Okay.
Okay,
See,
sir.
we have done this. Okay. Now I want to, if I share you this file, it cannot be run because it's a local copy now. It's with me in my system. Now what I will do is, see, let's say there is a company. Okay. Let's say Decathlon. You know Decathlon, right?
No, sir.
It is a company which gives you all the products, like sports products, like sportswear and all that. Okay. It has uh, f- it has been in 14 countries all over the world. Okay. Now let's say Decathlon want to make an app. Okay. It has, let's say, any company.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Let's say, let us take Mindtree company. Okay. It has all over the world, let's say, 4 offices. Okay. Now let's say in one office they are making a project. Okay. They are developing a website. Now these people, uh, let's say I have developed an app, a website in my system. Can the other one change the code if I share it? Like if I share you this file now, if I directly share you this file, can you run that?
Yes, sir.
You can run it. If I send you this local copy, like let's say I will convert this our projects into zip file and I will send you that. This is fine. You
Yes,
can run that. You can open it on your laptop and you can run it. Okay. But
yes, sir.
what if there are thousands of files? Let's say our website does not only contain only few files, right? It will contain thousands of files. So then your data will be high, like your file size will be high. You cannot able to share it. Okay, this is
Yes, sir.
the problem. And the work, see, whenever I share it like that, who has done which work, we cannot find it. Am I right?
Yes,
Let's
sir.
say I developed the starting files, I will share it with the other person. Okay, like the file using some Google Drive or anything. Okay, and he will do some changes, he will share it with other. Okay, this is traditional way of doing a website or a project before GitHub. When GitHub came, what they have done is they have given a control, like they have developed a cloud platform, which means they maintained a server. Okay, in that server you can upload all your coding files. Okay, so what I will do is the project manager will upload his starting code on the app, and all the developers over there, they can upload their, they can push their code part to that. Understood this? Let's say I have developed see, I developed this app. Okay, I developed this app,
Actually,
and you want to add
there,
something to this. So what you can do is you can access this website through that cloud platform. Like you will get a link. Okay, you can get that link. Okay, you can clone that. Clone in the sense you can get this code on your laptop by cloning that, and then you can make the changes and tell that your name, I have changed this code, and I will push it again. Okay, understood this? See,
yes,
now
sir.
let's say if you see, I will open some GitHub website. Okay, let's say profile, like portfolio website, portfolio website. I'll put GitHub here at the end, I'll put GitHub. Okay, see, if I click on this, these are all the websites which they have done. Okay, like somebody have done and they have kept it public, that means I can access it. Okay, everyone can access, like whoever use the GitHub, they can access it. If you put it in private, only you can access, or if you want to give access to only a particular person, you can give it. Okay, now if I go to this, see, if I go to this, see, in this there are 1.7k folks, that means 75 members have developed this, not one person. Okay, understood this?
Yes, sir.
Like one will be doing one part of the website. Let's say we all want to develop a website. Okay, what I will do is I will divide you develop this screen, you develop this screen, Shubham you develop, and Amand you develop this screen, Deep Kumar you develop, and you will be developing that screen. And what I will do is I will give you a link, and you will push all that onto that link. Understood? It's a like if you know, if I want to tell you clearly, I guess you are understanding only the you are understanding, yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay, so if you see this line, see, yeah, see, GitHub is not only affordable, but also it is a great open source community. Open source means GitHub is for free. Okay, you remember this. It is a cloud
Okay,
based
sir.
tool, so that code becomes more visible across the organization. That means code becomes more visible across the organization, means the code can be accessed throughout the organization. Understood? And
Okay, sir.
anybody could contribute to it now. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So it becomes easy for companies to manage projects. And one more thing, see, let's say Swiggy app. Okay,
Yes, sir.
we have launched it, we have done the code, we have launched it onto Play Store. Okay,
Okay.
now what if I want to make changes in the app? Okay, I want to change,
Sir, what
like
about security, sir?
security. GitHub provides you security. By default it will give you SSL security. Through that you can access, like you can add whatever own security you can add it to that. See, if you give it private, nobody can access it. Like you need to authenticate 3 times in order to access it. See, you can do a project, you can upload it onto GitHub. Okay, you can put it either private or public. Remember this. Okay, I'll show you how to upload also. Okay,
Okay, okay, sir.
if you put it public, whoever are there in the on internet, whoever are accessing on internet, they can access they can download your code. Okay, but if you put it private, only you can able to access, and only you can able to give access as well to whoever they want. Okay, understood this?
Okay, sir.
See, normally we call GitHub as a version control system, GitHub or Git. Okay, version control system means, see, whenever Swiggy, when they launched their app first time, it was version 1.1. When they updated their UI, they will change the version. Okay, see, every day Swiggy updates. Yes or no? Like Swiggy app. Today, its version will be 1.1. When there is changes in the code, it will change to 1.2. When there are changes in the code, it will change to 1.3. If you can see, I guess you can see it in the website itself. Let me show you. I'll type. If you go down here, I think they will give you version. Somewhere they will mention the version of the website. I'll just show you in my mobile. Wait. I will ask you one question. Okay. See. I'll ask you one question. You answer it. I have developed a web, let's say Swiggy app. Okay, I launched it onto Play Store. Now I want to update the UI. Okay, that means the user interface. I have to change the code. Okay, I have the code file, I have changed the code. Now after changing the code, if I want to get the previous version which I launched, can I get it? See, let's say this is our code. Okay, I have uploaded it to all. Let's say you all can access my website now. I have to update this. I will change this code. Let's say I will change this text to other text. Okay, I have changed it to, instead of holocart is the base tab, I have changed it to holocart. Now if I want to get the previous version, like which I launched, can I get it?
Yes, sir.
How?
Yes, yes, sir.
How can I
You
get
had,
it?
yes, sir. You had showed some website that day, at previous stage.
No, understand my question. You are getting wrong. See, I have this code. I have uploaded it onto, let's say, Play Store. Okay, you are all accessing. Now, if I want to update the app, I have to change the code, right? I have changed the code. Now, if I want to get the previous version, can I get it easily?
No, sir.
What should I do to get?
You should have one more copy of the older course.
Yes, very good, very good. This is the answer. You should have one more copy, or you should again write the code. Yes or no? Again, you should
Yes,
send it
sir.
to previous version. So what GitHub will do is, it is a version control system. Let's say when you uploaded first time, it will store it in one place. Let's say 1.1. Whenever you update that code, it will change it to 1.2, and now you can access the 1.1 as well. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the core point of GitHub. Like, it is a VCS. We call it as VCS, version control system. There are two types of version control system: distributed and contributed. It's not contributed, I guess. Wait, let me check it. I think I'm going wrong. Two types of VCS. Yeah, local version control system and centralized. We call it as distributed as well. Okay. Uh, Local version and centralized. Okay, these two I'll tell you. We will be having two types of version control system. Okay, so whatever apps you are seeing on Play Store, they are using some version control system. If they are not using, they cannot access their previous codes. Okay, understood this core point? Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So now what they will do is, for every version they will push it onto GitHub, and whenever they want they will access it. Okay, give me 1 minute. Hope you understood like what is VCS. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Whenever somebody asks you like what is GitHub, you need to say it as it is a version control system in order to manage different versions of website or app. Okay, you should tell like this. Okay, now I want to upload this code onto GitHub. So what you have to do is, you have to go to a new tab and you can type GitHub. Okay, you can access it from here. It is an open source, which means everybody can access it. There is no need of any payment. Okay, it is a open source, and you need to sign up for the first time. Okay, since I already have, I will just open it. I will just sign in. Okay, you can create it very easily. It will ask you some basics questions. Okay, or should I create it here now for you, or will you create it on your own? It's your wish.
Yes, sir.
Should I create it now?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, you guys start creating with me. Okay, I'll just click on create an account. Okay, you should enter your email ID. Okay, enter your email ID. I'm writing my email ID. You guys enter your email ID. Okay, uh, guys, today it will go up to 9:30. Okay, please don't okay, because I think we are running off time. We should learn CSS as well. Okay,
Okay, sir.
I'm taking valusajayasuriya@gmail.com, and you need to create a password. Okay, I'll give some password. It should be strong, and you can click on continue. Okay, you should give a long password. I guess this should become green. It's in yellow color, right? Okay, now I can click on continue. You should give your username. Okay, I'll give JSAI. It will you cannot put underscores, I guess.
Okay. Okay, okay.
Okay, now it's available. I kept JSurya AI. It you should create one. Okay, and click on continue.
Okay, okay.
If you want to get email updates of GitHub, you can put yes, like Y, or if you don't want any updates from GitHub to your mail, you can put no. I don't need any updates. I am putting N. Okay, now you should solve a puzzle. Identical objects. This one, this one, and you can create an account. It's very easy, guys. I guess you would have done it.
Okay.
It will send a mail to your password. It will send a code to your mail. 4294061.
Okay.
Are you doing with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First love.
Yes, it is done. How many team members will be working with you? Okay.
Okay.
I am a student. Let's say put 5 to 10 and click on continue. Okay, understood like why they are asking that? See, if you are a company, then you should put what? Your employee like 50 plus. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Why they are asking also you should understand, because they want to know like how many are able will be able to access your.
GF.
See, if it exceeds, let's say we have given 2 to 5. If it exceeds more than 5, what they will do is for security purpose they will send you verification, because you have exceeded the limit which you have given before. Is this you only who you are using this, like they will confirm it. Okay, I'll give it 5 to 10 and I'll put as teacher and then continue. And this is free version. Okay, uh, if you want this you can use, and if you want this you can use this as well. In this, like there are some extra features which you can access, like the storage will be high. Okay, and now you can click on continue for free for now. Fine, this is our GitHub console. Okay, done. Have you created?
చేసాం కదా ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు చేసావు కదా. ఓకే ఓకే.
Can you confirm me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Four of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ఓకే.
Santosh, like you, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Aman? Or if you have any doubt, you can ask me. We can have a meeting. Okay. So now, see, this is the console which we have. Now what we call, like, we call our project as repositories. Remember this. Repository means folder. Okay. In GitHub language, repository means a folder. I want to create a folder, and inside this I will add my code. Okay. Here repository name. Okay, we have developed our, let's say, my profile website. You can give it as my profile. Okay, and some description about it. Okay, if you want you can give, it's optional. Okay, and if you want to put it public, you can put it public, everyone can access. If you want to put it private, that means only you can choose. You can see and commit to the repository. Commit means you are pushing.
తను కూడా వచ్చి
Okay,
నాకు ఒక
understood?
request పెట్టారు. ఇంకా ఇన్ ప్రాసెస్ అనే ఉంది. ఇంకా మెయిల్ ఏం రాలేదు.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
this readme file, I'll tell you. Readme file means, let's say, if you are putting your code public.
మాధవ్ కూడా తెలియదు.
Karthik.
ఏమని
Karthik. Karthik. Okay. What if you see, whenever I typed in, if you see here, I search for GitHub, right? In this they have developed, right? Here they will add a readme file. That means in order to understand this project, you can read through this. Like they will explain you what this website does. This website is a clean, beautiful and responsive portfolio template for developers. Okay, how to like how this website is built, getting started, how to like if you want to run this, how you should run that, they will explain it here. Okay, how to use, you should clone this, then you should move to this, then you should run like this. Okay, understood? They will explain details about the project. Okay, do we need readme file now? As per our website, it's a simple website, everybody can understand easily, so no readme file, we don't need it. Okay, and then you can click on create a repository, it will create a repository. Okay, now everyone can access this through this link. Okay,
Okay.
see, it is https, which means secure. Okay, now what you can do is you can directly see, get started by creating a new file or uploading an existing file. We'll click on uploading an existing file because we already have our file here. Okay, we already have our file here, like we have our in our projects we have these 3 files. So what we will do is we can drag and drop all these files onto this. Okay, now what you can do, you can open this
ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్ళాలని చెప్పి వచ్చేసాను 3 days వెళ్తా 4
and you
days
can
వెళ్తా every week.
drag our index.html, contact.html and all the images.
ఇల్లు కనీసం ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్తున్నాం
Okay, understood? And see, you can write a commit. Commit means like a message, like what you are doing. Let's say if I think html index.html has came 2 times. I'll just
2 weeks అయింది
okay, see, let's say if I share this link with Shubham,
రవి సార్
he can also make changes to this, but whenever you change you should commit a change. Commit means you should add a message like what you have changed. Okay, built the basic app. Okay, now I'll commit. So see, now we got the code. Now what I can do is I can directly download the zip file. What you can do is I will share you this link. Okay, I will share with you this link. What you can do is you can directly open that, click on code, and you can click on download zip file, extract that, and you can make this. Now after making changes in the code, what you can do is again you can come to GitHub and you can commit that. Okay, see, one commit. Okay, if you get 2 commits means you can click on that commit and you can see what he has done. Okay, understood this? Yes,
Yes, sir.
this is actually not hosting. We will host our website. How we will host, I'll tell you. See, okay, understood, like how to push.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts up to now?
Yes, sir. What is repository name?
You can give any name for your website. See, if I go back, wait a minute. If I go to my home, see, these are the if you go to my repositories, this is my website. Okay, see, actually I will show you my one. Okay, I'll show you my account. Okay, my previous account. See, every time you sign in it will ask you to enter OTP. I forgot password, I guess. It is jsurya underscore AI, or I'll write my mail. I forgot the password, I guess. I'll just change the password.
ఓకే 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 ఓకే
Okay, I'll change in my mobile. Hope you're understanding. Yes,
ఓకే
yes or no? Like, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you want to repeat anything, I'll repeat. Okay, if you don't understand, you tell me. I'm creating a password. Okay,
ఓకే 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 అంటే ఇప్పుడు అవి కాపీ కంట్రోల్స్ అవి మెయింటైన్
Okay.
అంతే
I'll sign in now.
ఓకే ఓకే
See, again it's asking for verification. Every time you sign in, it will ask for verification.
డిఫైన్ చేసి
these are my repositories.
identify
If you
something
see,
about it.
these are all my repositories. Like if I go here, these are all the apps and websites which I have developed. Okay, as I said you, we have developed Olocart, right? If you see here,
Mm.
it is on public.
Okay, okay.
See, this is built using Java.
Right.
We have uploaded it only once. Like we have done it and we have uploaded it directly. Only one commit is there. See, it will show you like which code you are accessing. If it's public, everybody can access this. Okay, so most of the companies, what they will do is they will ask for your GitHub link. What they will do is they will check your codes, like whatever it is there here. In order to understand how you are coding, what they will do is they will ask this link, like your profile link. If I click here, they will get to know. In order to share mine, I can share this link with you all, so that you will understand me about my projects. Okay, understood? So now we want to host. Okay, we want to host our website. So hosting, I'll tell you. Okay, see, now I'll go to this. Okay, now how our website will know which file to run first? In this we have contact.js, we have index.js. By default, which one will run first?
Index.js.
This you need to remember. Okay, so whenever you develop a website, there must be index.html file for sure. Okay, if that is not there, it won't work. Okay, so now we have uploaded it, fine. Okay, this is our website. Now what you have to do is, in order to host this, you should go to settings. Okay, and if you scroll down, you will see something called GitHub pages. Okay, wait, I'll show you. See this one, pages. Okay, if you click on this, okay, GitHub pages, upgrade or make this repository public. Okay, sorry, we need to upgrade. Private repository cannot be upload. Okay, we need to change. I kept it private. Okay, I need to change it to public. How can I change? Yeah, I'll change it to public. Okay, now I'll change it to public. Wait, hope you're understanding. Yes, because private repositories cannot be uploaded. Okay, shit, how can I change this? I'll change it. I think somewhere it will be present. I should check for that. In settings only it will be there, I guess. See, change visibility. Here you can change it to public. Okay, now it is public. Okay, now what you can do is, you can go to pages. Okay, and now here what you can do is, you can select branch, which means
చెప్పు.
You can put it to main. Main means like branch means like whoever have uploaded that is the main branch. I have uploaded, right? Mine is the main branch. Okay. Whenever you commit those changes, like you have done something, what I will do is I will add that to my main branch. Okay, understood this? Initial whoever will start that will be the main branch. Okay. Whenever you commit, what I will do, I will add those to my main branch. Understood this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
now I have to select main and I have to save. See, it will give me a link. Wait, it will give me a link. Where it is? You can give custom domain name, like you can write your own, like www dot. See, this is the actual link. What we will get? Okay, I will show you. Wait, where is the link? We will get the link. You can add custom DNS records should point to international domain name. Are you understanding? Like DNS records, like we can have, let's say www.jayasurya.com. If I type in Google, it should give us this website, but I think this will be paid, I guess. Okay, wait, we can access this now. It is saved. Where can I get that? See this one. Now I got it. Now if I click on visit site, it will take me to the website. See, understood? Why this one is not loading? Can anyone tell?
Sir, it is a local image.
Local image, but local thing also I have uploaded here, right? It should access, because see why it's not coming, because inside this we have written it wrong way. Like inside this, if you see, we have taken it from C drive. We should not write like this. We should do it. Uh, we should edit it actually. See, now what I will do is, see, I will change the code. Okay. Uh, Here, where is that image? Where did we give that?
Starting, sir. Starting.
So you should not give like this. What you have to do is you should delete everything, and now you should give like this. Now it will be able to access. Okay, understood? From our local copy we should not give. Now what it will do is it will automatically search in this, like in our project it will search for images and then print surya dot. Now I want to commit this. Like see, I have changed something in the code. Now I want to commit this. So what you can do is, inside this VS code only, we have push, like we can push our code. Okay, how to push we will see. Okay, I have changed the code. Now you will also be able to change the code. Okay, understood? If I share you this GitHub link, because I kept it public, and you can push it. Understood? Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll tell you how to push from GitHub. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We should follow procedure. Okay. See, if you click here, uh, this is the source control. Okay, that means through here we can upload. Okay, 1 minute. or else what you can do is you can click on view, you can click on view command palette, and inside this you can click on git. See, here you can have publish to GitHub. Okay, click on that. First you need to link your VS Code with your GitHub. Okay, understood this? Publish to GitHub public repository. Okay, how many files? Like do you want to publish all the files or this file only? I want to publish. See, it will create actually a new repository, I guess. I'll click on OK. It will create a new repository, I guess. Let's see. And here you can type a message. Okay, new commit. Click on submit. Wait a minute. It is showing some error. Okay, let's check our console. Actually, it will take to my console, I guess. Like my VS Code is linked to this one. Now, what you guys do is you create your own profile website. You upload it onto GitHub and share it with me. Okay. I think we should use GitHub. We should add, I guess. We should add git add. Wait. See, let's try this. Something like you can go to terminal. Okay. Okay. Here, what you can do is uh, you can write git commit. Okay. See, actually this one we didn't get this from our website, right? So what you have to do is you have to first download this from our, actually it is stored here, right, in our GitHub. Where is this? Here is it? Yeah, this one. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to download this from here first. Okay, even I am the owner, I have to download it. Okay, it has downloaded. Where it is? See, now what I can do is I can right click on this. Okay, I can extract this. Okay, now I need to open this one using VS Code, not the one which I have done. Okay, uh, understanding? Are you understanding? Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir. Little bit.
Little bit. Why? See, now I'll share you my GitHub link. Okay, wait, I'll share it with you. Now you will do it. See, what I will do is I will share this link. I'll share you this link. Okay, 1 minute. You guys open that. What? So what is GitHub? Can anyone tell? In 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 an easy way.
Like version control system, like.
Yes. So now you click on that, you will be able to download a zip file of that, of my file. Okay. Yeah, and I will share you one more link. See, you will be able to access that. Here we have our pages, right? GitHub pages. Whenever we go here, I think I am making you confused. Yes, am I? Wait. I'll go to my pages. Here I'll get the link. I'll copy this. Now you can access my website through this. Yes. Okay. Are you able to access when you click on that link? Is the website opening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But I think image is not loading, right?
Yes, sir.
What we have to do is we have to change this, and we need, now I'll commit. See, now what I'll do, I will change this. I'll change this. Okay. And I will now commit this change. Okay. What you can do is you can directly go to terminal. Okay. And you can directly git commit. Okay. And message, like if you want any message and you can put a message like I have changed the image code. Changed the image. See, this file you should get it from GitHub, not your local copy. Okay. Understood? You have to download that zip file and you have to extract that and you have to change it. Okay. Understood? Fatal, not a git repository or any parent directory. Wait.
Hello.
1 minute. Okay, I think we are running out of time. Okay, I'll tell you about how to push tomorrow. Okay, we'll go with CSS for now. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So now let us know about CSS. Okay. In CSS, as I said you, CSS is. Can you tell the full form of CSS? Can anyone?
Cascading style sheets.
Cascading style sheet.
The name itself tells that it is a sheet over our HTML. Okay. If you see here, it's not there here. For your understanding, this is like, it will be looking like this, this one. Okay. That means like to your HTML you will add a sheet which is design sheet. Okay. Let's say our h1 tag is there. Now if you see now let's say our body tag is there. Now what I want to do is I will run this. See, observe. Okay, now I want to make this background, this entire background is here. Now I want to make it, let's say, blue. Okay, what you can do is you can click on body tag, and here you can give your CSS, like you can give it style equal to, okay, background color equal to, you can give your color. Okay, understood? Style equal to background color equal to, let's say, some color. Okay, now if I run, see, it has changed. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This we call it as inline CSS. Okay, that means inline means inside the tag you are giving your CSS. Understood this? We are giving inside the tag. Okay, now if I want to make h2, okay, what I should do? Style equal to, let's say, color equal to black, or else I'll give it red. Now if I run, this h, only this h2 will become red, only this one. Okay, see, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This we call it as inline CSS. Remember this. Okay, inline CSS. See, now if I want to give same color to all h's, like all headings, what should I do? If I want to give this h3 also, I want the same, what should I do?
Yes, sir. You can directly target H2.
We can directly target, but before going to that, if I want to give now like this, how can I give?
H2 and H3 both.
In h3 also we should write the same. See, you should copy this and you should paste this for everyone, every tag, right?
Yes, sir.
See, now how many h's are there, you have to give it to all. h3, see this h4. Now if I run, you'll see 3. But see, whenever you are writing code, you must remember one thing: your code should not be repeating. That means, see, this style, I am repeating it 3 times, same line of code, here, here, and here, which is not good. This means your code is not optimized. Okay, so using inline CSS, what you can do is you can only give your style to that single line of code or that single tag. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Now I want to give style to all the headings at once. Okay, to all h3s at once. Okay, or else, see, this hr tag is there. Okay, this hr, now it is showing us red. I want to change this to blue or else any color. Okay, what I can do is, this we call it as internal CSS. We can delete this. Okay, now we have learnt about inline CSS. Inline means for every tag we are giving. Okay, is it clear?
Yes,
And
sir.
under internal
Yes,
CSS,
sir.
what you will do is, inside the heading tag, you will have a tag called style. Okay, inside this, you can give your styles to tags. Like, let's say you can give body, or else let's say I will give it to h2, or else hr tag, I'll take it to hr, and inside this you can give your CSS. Let's say background color aqua. Okay, now all the hrs, this one, this one, and this one, they will become this color. Okay, or I'll give another color. I will give a dark color. Background and that are same. I'll give it black. Okay, now if I run, it is not replicating. Wait. It has come, but wait a minute. I'll tell you. I think it is color, I guess.
Sir, you are using two time black after BGC.
I think we should give 2 times. That way I give. Wait.
Yeah. Now you can use background color.
But it's not coming, man. See, our
Sir, actually, you are using Maryline. Comment it or remove it. Sir, in body tag. Yes, sir. Now I think it's fine.
it is not black, I guess. See, it's not changing. Why? Because actually we are doing something wrong. Let me change for H2 once. See, now the H2s are black. Okay, now if I change, okay, for H2 it has changed the
Sir,
background color.
yeah, you cannot use background for HR.
Yes, that is what I'm thinking. I think we should change another property. Here, if I give color, it will give color. Yes, see, all H2s has become red. Understanding? For HR, I think we should give.
I think color only.
I give that also. That is also not working. We'll see. Our documentation is there, na?
Yes,
HR,
yes.
horizontal rule, color, internal CSS. We call it as internal CSS. Before we have used inline CSS. Here we are using internal CSS. We have to give border, not background color. Okay. Instead of color, we should give border.
Like 3 pixels, solid red. It's good.
Will it come now?
Yes, sir. I think.
We are missing something. Is this our website which is running? Let's see. Wait, let's see our documentation. HR internal CSS MDN docs. Wait. Color property is there. Color, we should give color. Wait. We are doing something wrong. Let me check. Border width we need to. It is in red actually. Hey, it is coming, man. I think we need to increase the
Radius or size.
border size. Yes, size, I guess. We need to increase the size. Wait. Size I can give 10 pixel would be good. Height. Is there any tag like height? Wait. I think background style. Size. See here when I type here, if you see, this is deprecated. Okay, this we call it as deprecated. What can I do?
Sir, use border 3 pixel solid red and check 3 pixel space solid red. No, sir, it's not. Or
Why it is coming to this? Wait. Oh, we are putting it. Cha.
LH2. Oh, shit.
From that time we are doing that only.
Yes, sir.
Arey
Yeah,
yaar.
it's not working.
Okay, fine. Okay, understood. So what happens is, you understand one thing. By default, our HTML also gives some design. See, if I inspect, if you see, if you go to body, see, it has given margin default by 8 pixel. Okay, that is the reason. See, this is coming 8 pixel this side. Are you seeing? This is coming 8 pixel this side. This is to the borders. Okay. Likewise, every element has a default CSS. See, if I inspect, if I go to HR, see, this is the default CSS which our HR has. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Understood? See, here you can change the border style. Okay. If I go here, see, border style. Uh,
Radius.
style. If I put it dotted, you'll get dotted lines. See, but see, what's happening is you are getting dotted lines, but you needed them in circle. 1 minute. You can give border radius to this. Border radius, let's say 10 pixels. See, for the entire row, at the end we are getting the radius here. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
But see, what's happening is, this will be in between these two. There will be a line. If you see here, there is a white line. See, what you can do is, here I have given border style top. I'll give. See, border top style. Border top style will be dotted. Now you will get, I guess, round. I guess. See, what you understood by this?
Kangi.
Upper side the cut only.
Upper side we got dotted. Downside we got line. Top style. That means
Yes, sir.
we are getting a rectangle, or else we are getting a rectangle there. If I give, see, here I'll give dotted, and if I give here none, now what you'll get is, sorry, here I'll just delete this. Here dotted, and the second one is none. That means top we will get dotted and bottom you will get none. Now if you see, what happened? Okay, wait. I think we need to give like this only, I guess. Bottom, border top color, border top style, top width. Okay, like this we should give. Okay, you understood? So here we are giving internal CSS. Internal means in the head we are giving. What is inline?
Fields directly in HTML.
In HTML tag. Like each tag we will give it. Okay. Tomorrow we will learn external CSS. Okay. See, we will start developing this website as I told you. I think tomorrow we will complete. Okay? I'll take for 2 hours because I wasted so much of time today. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow we will
Okay,
start
sir.
at 7 itself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
At 7.
At 7 o'clock. Yes.
Okay, sir. No issues.
We will develop
Okay,
this.
sir.
For today I'm stopping it here. Okay. So you try to upload that onto GitHub and share the link. Okay. I will share you
Okay,
the
sir.
recording. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Good night. Good night, sir.
Good night, bro.
Good night, sir.
If you have any doubts, you can reach out to me. Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
Bye.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
బాగుందా చికెన్?
బాగుంది.